OKB is an exceptionally fascinating crypto project in a huge manner. A utility badge of one of the greatest crypto trades on the planet. It has by and large had kind of extraordinary cost elements starting around 2021, which is genuinely critical. While most of the crypto market in every practical sense has commonly proceeded to gradually yet consistently decline since the bull for the most part run in the fall of 2021. The sort of normal cost of OKB by and large figured out how to remain major areas of strength for somewhat even arrived at many highs for the most part. In this video, we will investigate our OKB cost expectations for 2022, momentarily sincerely look at its value history, and see what explicitly compels this computerized resource important and whether it can fundamentally be a productive venture. If it's not too much trouble, sort of recollect that this video doesn't comprise venture exhortation, and you ought to continuously do reasonably your sort of own exploration in a significant manner. What for the most part is OKB, which is genuinely huge. OKB, an ERC-20 symbolic that has a place with the sort of alright blockchain establishment, sort of is the really local digital currency of one of the greatest crypto trades on the planet, Okex. It used to by and large work on the Ethereum blockchain, however, by and large was in the end generally moved to the organization's really own chain, Okex chain, and in every practical sense, enormous way. Okex is essentially something beyond a trade. For instance, it explicitly has its own cloud mining administration, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. OKB furnishes clients with admittance to a portion of the stage's genuinely more by and large extraordinary elements, for the most part like administration in a significant manner. As a matter of fact, the OKB token in every practical sense assumes a significant part in the entire biological system of the Okex project in an unobtrusive manner. Other than the really previously mentioned administration, it likewise allows clients to get sizable limits on exchanges, up to 40% in an unpretentious manner. The for the most part more OKB tokens an individual holds, the a lot greater their rebate will sort of be. Clients who hold a great deal of OKB coins likewise have the chance to procure some revenue off of it through the Okex in a real sense acquire stage. As a for the most part local digital money of the Okex chain, OKB works with spot and subordinates exchanging as well as the improvement of versatile applications on the blockchain. Or so they explicitly thought. What's more, that is not all in a very enormous manner. To truly make the genuinely token much more important, the OKB group likewise consumes a sort of specific measure of it at regular interval. OKB specialized examination, as opposed to prevalent thinking, attached to one of the greatest crypto trades on the planet. OKB brags a ton use cases. Subsequently, it basically has very significant crucial worth and is consequently viewed as a generally solid venture, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Most OKB cost forecasts truly anticipate that the future cost of OKB should increment. Wallet Financial Backer, for instance, predicts that we will really see the OKB cost fill significantly before very long, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. They sort of accept at least for a moment that its by and large greatest value level will reach $89 in 2026 and in any event, in every practical sense, keep ascending past that. Goff Capital's OKB conjecture likewise predicts a quite certain pattern for this especially token. By and large, this cryptographic money plainly has a positive value elements of some kind or another. Its typical figure cost is fairly high. At the hour of composing, most specialized pointers were giving a purchase signal, implying that the future cost of OKB in every practical sense is probably going to go up. For a state-of-the-art after-effect of OKB specialized examination, if it's not too much trouble, in every practical sense, see the TradingView gadget beneath. Is OKB a wise speculation? OKB can sort of be a decent expansion to numerous portfolios, particularly in the event that you utilize the trade it has a place with. Does OKB coin in every practical sense have a future? Nobody can precisely anticipate where we will see the OKB cost expansion later on and what greatest and least cost esteem it generally is fit for accomplishing, in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Up until this point, OKB has really stood areas of strength for truly the substance of sort of bear markets. Yet everything might change. Ensure you're mindful of the dangers prior to putting resources into the OKB coin in an extremely significant manner. The most effective method to purchase OKB in an unobtrusive manner. You can trade OKB on sort of various trades, remembering changely for a kind of large way. Could you at any point stake OKB? Indeed, OKB works on a proof-of-stake blockchain and can in this manner explicitly be marked. OKB Value Forecast 2022, which explicitly is very huge. As per the specialized examination of OKB costs expected in 2022, the base expense of OKB will truly be $18.50. The kind of greatest level that the OKB cost can sort of reach really is $19.73 in an essentially significant manner. The typical exchanging cost explicitly is normal around $19.21 amazingly. OKB value gauge for November 2022, or so they generally thought. In view of the value variances of OKB toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the sort of typical OKB pace of $18.47 in November 2022, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Its base and truly most extreme costs can be anticipated at $16.71 and at $19, separately. December 2022, OKB value gauge. Digital currency specialists are essentially prepared to really declare their figure for the OKB cost in December 2022 in an unpretentious way. The base exchanging cost could sort of be $18.50, while the most extreme could really reach $19.73 during this month in a sort of large manner. By and large, it generally is normal that the worth of OKB may be around $19.21, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. OKB value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of OKB in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of OKB will explicitly be around $26.68 in a truly significant manner. The greatest expected OKB cost may, in every way that really matters, be around $31.72 in an unpretentious way. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $27.64 in 2023, as opposed to prevalent thinking. OKB value forecast 2024. Or so they thought. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of OKB, in 2024, OKB fundamentally is supposed to, in every practical sense, have the accompanying certainly least and most extreme costs, about $36.50 and $46.34. Separately, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The typical expected exchanging cost especially is $37.89 in an especially large manner. OKB value forecast 2025, which is very critical. The specialists in the field of digital money fundamentally have examined the costs of OKB and their vacillations during the earlier years in a kind of large manner. It sort of is expected that in 2025, the really least OKB cost could drop to $49.04, while its sort of greatest can for the most part reach $62.77 in a genuinely significant manner. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $50.92, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. OKB value forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of OKB by crypto specialists, the accompanying fundamentally most extreme and least OKB costs are normal in 2026, $86.08 and $71.43 in an unobtrusive manner. By and large, it will for the most part be exchanged at $73.98 in a significant manner. OKB value forecast 2027 in an especially large manner. Crypto specialists truly are continually investigating the variances of OKB. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical